right, so we have our next trinomial, 2. So I do not have a greatest common factor. I have a k squared, a k, and I do not have a k in the last term, so there's nothing to take out. I'm like, wait a second, what about that a? That a is a 6. That's not going to work. So I'm going to try, what if I slip this over and I multiply? So I now have k squared plus 7k plus 12. I'm looking for factors of 12. 12 is positive, 7 is positive, so I'm looking for factors that are going to add together. So I have 1 and 12, that does not make a 7. 2 and 6 does not make a 7, but 3 and 4 does make a 7. So let's go ahead and divide this up into 2 binomials. I have k plus 3, k plus 4. And now we've done the slip. We have factored. We need to go to divide. So remember, when I divide by whatever number I slipped, and I slipped a 6. So here's my divide. Now I'm going to go ahead and reduce those fractions. 3 over 6, well, that turns into 1 over 2. And 4 over 6, they'll both divide by 2, so that gives me with 2/3. So I've slipped, I've divided, and now I need to look to see if anybody needs to slide. And I have 2 fractions here, so I have 2 that need to slide. So I'm going to slide this 2 in front of this k and this 3 in front of this k, and I'm going to rewrite my binomials, which will be 2k plus, the numerator was 1, so 2k plus 1, and 3k plus 2. Pause the video, try the check step. Remember, we're just going to use FOIL or distribution to make sure that it does work out. Distribution proves that it does work back to 6k squared plus 7k plus 2. Therefore, I know that the factored form would be the product of 2k and 1 and 3k and 2. Remember, slip, divide, and slide.